In our bivariate data analysis, this is my raw data. What I need to do is get it to look something like this in the end. So how do I get here? Well, we've got to start with the first things first, and that's going to be the mean and the standard deviation. So let's type them in. Mean and standard deviation. I can make those bold by highlighting them and going Control B or Home Bold. You can see that it's the Control B button to make those bold. Now I need the formulas to get the mean and the standard deviation of the average, the age and the height. I'll start by going equals and typing in the formula I want, which is AVE, and you can see that the list has already arrived. I want the average, and in this case Excel says average instead of mean. I double click this one, average, and then I highlight the information I want. Just the numbers for that, and you can see it goes from B2 to B26, so that's column B, cell 2, column B, cell 26, all of the data involved. Doesn't matter if I close the brackets or not, but I then press enter and it gives me my number. Now, there is another way to do that. You can actually go home, auto sum, and average is one of them. So I can just click that and it intelligently knows that I want the average of that data, and again, just hit enter to get that information. Now let's do the standard deviation. Equals, start typing ST for standard deviation, and I've already got just this short list now. This data I have is from a sample of other people. It's not an entire population, it's just a sample of others. So in this case I want to use standard deviation sample. Double click it. It asks which numbers I want. Well, this is the standard deviation of the age column, so I'm going to select my ages and then hit enter. This time I'm going to show you a different way to reproduce it. Instead of just typing it in again, we can actually copy that and paste it in here, or I can click the cell and in this little square in the corner I can click and drag to here, and it does exactly what I want. Okay, that's how to do the mean and standard deviation of any two sets of data.